Welcome to the how-to video for Leprechaun Craft Grab and Go. Be sure to set up a workstation and set up 6 popsicle sticks in a row like a fence. Next, take an extra popsicle stick, glue it, and put it on a diagonal to hold your quote-unquote fence together. After a little bit of drying, flip it over carefully and set another popsicle stick, just gluing towards the middle, across about a third of the way down on the front. This will create the hat. Carefully open up your green paint and start to paint your green part of the shamrock hat. This also is called the derby in the Irish culture. So your leprechaun will have a nice green derby hat. And make sure you paint the green popsicle stick that becomes the brim of his hat. Next, while you're waiting for the green paint to dry, get your eyes and your nose ready. I found putting a little bit of glue onto the project itself for the eyes worked well. And then stick your wiggly eyes down. And finally, the pom-pom nose. You'll find a permanent Sharpie marker. You can go ahead and draw his smile as well as his eyebrows. Next, since you had time to clean out your brush, you now can grab out the orange paint and start to add it to the bottom to create his beard. I also wanted to add it so it looked like his beard went up the side of his face, kind of like sideburns. So go ahead and color in the orange or paint in the orange for the sides for his beard. Next, you'll find a black ribbon. Go ahead and glue that on down across the front and then carefully flip it over and tack the trimmed piece along the back on both sides. This will become a nice place for the buckle of his hat. And instead of a gold buckle, grab the shamrock. And there you go, you have Lucky the Leprechaun.